How to change your name on TEMU. Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily change your name on the TEMU application. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. First thing first, you need to open the TEMU app and then make sure that you are logged into your account. So once you are logged in, what you are going to do is you will land on this homepage, and once you get to the homepage at the bottom, you'll see different tabs like categories, U, and then the cart. You just want to head over to the U tab. And from here, if you tap on the settings icon at the top right, you won't see any option to change your name. But instead, what you have to do is go back and then tap on your profile icon or your name. What this will do is open up your profile settings. And once you get to your profile, right beside your name, you will see this little edit icon. Just tap on it. And here you have different options. You can upload a new photo. You can just change your name, your email, your phone number, and your measurements. So to change your name, tap on name, and then change your name to whatever you want. So once you do that, you should be able to change your name like this. Tap on save. And if you go back, as you can see, your name should be changed like this. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.